Drinking water is a crucial natural resource. We need clean water every day, and taking care of it is extremely important. And today on Designing Spaces, we're going to show you how you can save water and keep the comfort level you're accustomed to at home.
Water demand is absolutely increasing. Despite the fact that the Earth is covered in over 70% of water, it's currently estimated that only 1% is suitable for drinking. That means that over 1.1 billion people around the world lack access to clean drinking water. Saving water is more important than ever. In the past, we may have thought of water scarcity as some faraway problem, but today it's getting closer and closer to home. To be able to use these water resources, we need energy to convert it, but energy costs are also on the rise. So it's more important than ever in our goal to reach out to families and help them find ways to save water and save energy.
Hi, I'm Glenn.
And I'm Alex. We live here in our house with our 2 boys and our dog. We love making memories in here and having family and friends over.
With a 2-year-old and an 8-month-old, and who knows what else is going to come on the way, we're always looking for ways to limit our daily water use.
Unfortunately, trying to save water sometimes can be extremely uncomfortable. So we're definitely looking for a solution to save water as well as save money.
Did you know that thanks to technological innovations, you can conserve water and still have a comfortable experience?
Water technology has evolved a lot in the past years, from simply restricting the flow rates towards providing water-efficient products. Efficient means using less water, using less energy, but not reducing the performance and the comfort for the consumer. This is of major relevance for the consumer acceptance, as in the future, based on regulations and based on water scarcity, the flow rates of showers and faucets will further go down. Installing water-efficient plumbing products will help and will reduce the water consumption of family homes.
And there's a company leading the way with their water and energy-saving products, Neoperl. Neoperl has been offering cutting-edge solutions to the plumbing industry for more than 60 years.
Neoperl is a second-generation, family-owned and family-driven company. Since 1959, we've been able to utilize the best aspects of our German and Swiss cultures. We're combining open-minded curiosity with an ability to innovate and high-precision engineering. We're really proud of our engineering heritage. We all interact with a faucet or a shower on a daily basis, but to be honest, most of us take it for granted and we don't give it much thought. But we have an entire team dedicated to making sure this experience is not just comfortable, but sustainable to the environment as well. In addition to our engineering teams around the world, here in Connecticut, we have a sales support team ready to help homeowners find the right solution.
To our strong and local presence, with locations in 17 countries worldwide, we are close to our partners and customers all over the world. This enables us to have an optimal understanding of the market-specific requirements, such as plumbing conditions, user behavior, sanitary technologies, as well as national codes and standards. Despite a flow regulator is just a very small component within sanitary fittings or water-saving aerators, it is the key element to adjust the flow rate and hence impact water and energy saving.
Every day, millions of people use Neoperl products, whether they know it or not. Concealed within faucets, their products can be found almost anywhere in a building or a home.
Wherever sanitary faucets and shower flow rates have to be in compliance with water-saving regulations and codes and standards, such as EPA WaterSense in the US, a little thing does its job inside.
While Neoperl has been historically a supplier to the branded manufacturers of faucets and showers, we understand the importance of providing homeowners access to the same high-level quality of replacement parts. This allows them to retrofit existing faucets or reduce their flow rates even further.
Instead of having to replace a whole faucet, Neoperl offers affordable solutions for changing your stream type or flow rate.
I wanted to try and find a way to limit our water consumption without making such a great sacrifice. So I did some online research and was able to locate a product that was available at my local hardware store that was a simple installation on my bathroom vanity, and it saved me money in the long run.
All the stream patterns need to match the consumer expectations on design and functionality. All these aerators come with water-saving features. Included means water saving without loss of comfort. Cost-wise, we have savings above $200 annually. By using water-saving technology, we get up to 20 and 30% of water saving. It's not only about saving water, it's also about saving energy. Saving water, you save hot water, and at the same time, you save the energy which is used to heat up the water.
Making the right decisions about your home's indoor water can not only have a significant effect on the environment, but on your utility bill as well.
At Neoperl, it's our goal to continue our long-standing heritage of curiosity, creativity, and engineering expertise to provide products that will preserve and protect our most precious resource, water.
To find out more about the many benefits of Neoperl products, visit neoperl.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.